Hey, grade 7 learners! Welcome to your learning venue on TV of Davao de Oro. Get ready and we will talk about the wonders of arts and crafts of Mindanao. I am your teacher, Mustiola Cajegas Vista from Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Nabunturan West District. Are you ready? Now, let us start learning our arts module for quarter 3. Today, I will introduce to you our lesson, Sarimanok, the legendary bird of Maranao. Are you all excited? Okay, let's do this. Before we move on, set yourself comfortable and stay focused so you can follow our today's lesson. Prepare your arts module in quarter 3, art notebook, pen, and suggested art materials all throughout this episode so you may take down notes and cope our art topic today. This lesson will help you identify characteristics of Sarimanok design of Mindanao. Discuss the elements from traditions or history of Maranao reflected in the Sarimanok design. Mindanao, referred to as the Land of Promise, the second largest and southernmost island in the Philippine archipelago. The artistry and fine craftsmanship of the Muslims who dwell on the western and central part of Mindanao is, no doubt, an art form that Filipinos could be proud of. It is truly an art Filipinos could call their own. The Tausugs, Yakans, Magindanaons, and Maranaos trace their descent from the Malay-Indonesian race and their firm inclusion into Philippine geographic political sovereignty make them truly Filipinos. The Tausugs of Sulu are excellent artisans of fine crafts and art. The Magindanaons of Cotabato Province are skillful weavers of fine mats and baskets, while the Yakans of Sulu and Basilan are excellent silk and cotton textile weavers. Their designs of okir, torogan, lantaka, and sarimanok, among others, could stand alone as one of the high-quality Asian folk arts. This time, let us focus our art understanding in Sarimanok, a legendary bird of the Maranao. The Sarimanok is a legendary bird of the Maranao. It comes from the words sari, meaning cloth or garment, and manok for chicken. It has become a significant symbol of Maranao art. It is depicted as a fowl with colorful wings and a feathered tail, holding a fish on its beak or talons. The head is profusely decorated with scroll, leaf, and spiral motifs. It is said to be a symbol of good fortune. One of the distinct features of Sarimanok is the colorful feathers. There are lots of imaginative and inspired designs of Sarimanok, like the international grand winner of Doodle for Google 2014, entitled Sari Jeepney, which was created by our own student, Kim Patrick Saran of Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School with his coach, Christopher Vista, visual arts teacher. On the other hand, before Islam came to the Philippines, Early Filipinos worshipped nature and believed that plants and inanimate objects are home to ancestral spirits. They also believed that natural phenomena are caused by gods. This indigenous belief system is called animism. The conversion of the natives and the arrival of Muslim traders and merchants resulted in new forms of artistic expression. This fusion of beliefs created a unique blend of spirituality and creativity. There are many speculative interpretations about the Maranao bird. The fact is, nobody knows how it began. However, the late Dr. Mamitua Saber, a Maranao sociologist, said that artists choose concepts from their environment. He pointed out how decorative motifs like Sarimanok and all others were derived from the nature of Lake Lanao. Maranao means people of the lake, referring to people who occupy the lands surrounding Lake Lanao. The culture of Maranao is abundant with a design called okir, a geometric and figurative pattern that depict an animal, plants, and mythical figures. Sarimanok is one that embodies okir. Wow! That was a colorful information about Mindanao arts and crafts featuring Sarimanok. I hope you're inspired about our own art and how it evolved to become a world-renowned, authentic artwork. I know you are excited in making your own version of Sarimanok. I will show you a video on how to make a Sarimanok paper layering art. Let's watch this. Sarimanok paper layering. It is like stacked sheet of image of the Sarimanok on paper. Using layers to overlap each other gives depth to an illustration. Our objective is to create paper layering art using the image of Sarimanok. Materials are band papers, coloring materials, scissors, pencil, double adhesive tape, sponge or foam type, and clear packing tape. You can draw or print the images of the Sarimanok. Color all images using any coloring materials. Use the same colors you used on the identical areas. Put clear packing tape on top of the image of Sarimanok. Cut all the 3 images. Put double adhesive tape, spongy or foam type on Sarimanok image 3. Put Sarimanok image 2 on top of image 3. Do it repeatedly for Sarimanok image 2 and put image 1 on top of it. Make sure to leave a small gap between inputting those images. Rubrics will be based on elements of arts and principles of design, creativity and originality, effort and perseverance, craftsmanship or skill and consistency. You can always review the steps in making the Sarimanok paper layering art at TV Eskwela official Facebook page. Let us assess. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. What is the legendary bird of Maranao? Again, what is the legendary bird of Maranao? A. Eagle. B. Sarimanok. C. Maya. D. Adarna. Correct! The answer is letter B, Sarimanok. Number 2. What are the distinct features of Sarimanok? I repeat. What are the distinct features of Sarimanok? Letter A. Decorated with scroll, leaf, and spiral motifs. B. Fowl with colorful wings and feathered tail. C. Holding a fish on its beak or talons. D. All of the above. You got it! Letter D. All of the above. Number 3. Sarimanok comes from the word sari, which means, I repeat, Sarimanok comes from the word sari, which means A. Flying. B. Sacred. C. Cloth or garment. D. Magical. Amazing! Letter C. Cloth or garment. Number 4. A geometric and figurative pattern that depict animal, plants, and mythical figure. Again, a geometric and figurative pattern that depict animal, plants, and mythical figure. A. Torogan. B. Vinta. C. Lantaka. D. Okir. Wow! You got it! The answer is letter D. Okir. Number 5. A belief that natural phenomena are caused by gods. This indigenous belief system is called, again, a belief that natural phenomena are caused by gods. This indigenous belief system is called A. Animism. B. Religionism. C. Buddhism. D. Patriotism. Correct! Letter A. Animism. And for your task at home, please answer your module on page 8, items 6 to 15. Use separate sheet of paper. Your submission of your Sarimanok paper layering art and assessment answer sheets will be included in the retrieval of modules in your respective school or barangay. That ends our episode for Art 7, Quarter 3, Module 1. Once again, I am your teacher, Mustiola Cajegas Vista from Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Nabunturan West District. Saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!